Today we are going to discuss binary division. It is similar to decimal division. Okay, binary division. Take right. We will take an example here first. I am taking one number like 10311 division with 10. So how we are writing like this: 10 10 111. Okay, similar like how we are division is doing in decimal, like that only in binary also. 10 1s are 10, so 1 we are writing there and 10 we are writing here. Here is 0 is coming. Now I am taking this number, this one is here. See, 10 and 01. 0 is 01 is a smaller, so we need one more one here. So to do that, we have to add 0 here, and I am taking that one here, right? So now 10 1s are 10. So now you do subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1, and here 1 minus 1, it will become 0. Now you add this one here. Okay, 10 1s are 10. So subtraction you do, 1 minus 0 means 1. Here 1 minus 1 means 0. So see, this is the remainder, and this 1011 is a quotient. Okay, similarly I will take one more example here. This time I am taking 110 110 division with 100. See, same previously how we are writing, like that only you write 110 110. Okay, 100 1s are 100. So 1 I am writing here and 100 I am writing here. Subtract it. 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1 is 0. Leave that one. Okay, you take this number here. Now it is 101. 101 is here. 100 1s are 100. Subtract once again and it will become 1 here. And anyhow this 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. I am not writing that one. Now add this one here. See, 11 is smaller than 100, so I want this digit also here. To do that, I have to add 0 here. I am taking that digit, right? Now 100 1s are 100. See, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. Anyhow 1 minus 1 is 0. I am not writing that one. Okay, so this is the remainder, and quotient will be 110. This one is a quotient. One more example. Double 1 0 double 1 dividing with a 1 1. Okay, see, previously how we are writing, like that only, same. 1 0 double 1. Okay, double 1 1s are double 1, so 0. I am adding 0, but 0 0 is a smaller one compared to 1 1, so I want this one also here. To write that one here, I have to write 0 here, so I am taking that one. Okay, like that. Again you see this double 1 sorry, 001 is smaller than 11. So I need this one also here. To write that one, I am writing 0, I am taking that one. Now 1 is a 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So remainder will be 0, 0. And the quotient will be this one, 1 0 0 1. This is the quotient. Thank you.